Hey guys, touch the layer everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make garlic fried bok choy recipe. Very easy and simple way. So before start the video, so if you are visit my channel first time, please don't forget to hit red button, it's written subscribe. Also hit the bell, so if you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. So let's get started. So these are ingredients here I'm going to use in this recipe. The proper ingredient list you can check out my description box. So here is the bok choy. The leaves and roots I just separate, and red chilli, garlic and Sichuan pepper and salt, light soya sauce and oil. That's it. Now add the cooking oil and heat. To heat the oil, I'm gonna add Sichuan pepper and garlic. By the way, Sichuan pepper is optional. If you don't like, you can definitely skip that. And also I'm gonna add salt. So once the garlic become brown color, now this time I'm gonna add the chili. Add the chili and just mix it. After that I'm gonna add the pork. So first I'm gonna fry the bok choy roots. So leaves very easily cook, so I'm gonna first fry the bok choy roots. Now mix it well. Once it becomes soft, now this time I'm gonna add the leaves. Add the leaves and just cover and just leave it for 30 seconds. Now this time you have to mix very nicely. Now finally I'm gonna add the soya sauce. The soya sauce I add 2 tablespoons. The soya sauce will give the nice flavor. And once I add the soya sauce, mix very nicely. After that, we don't need to cook over. I like to keep little crunchy my vegetable. And after that, it's ready to enjoy. Now you can go with rice, steamed bun or chapati, whatever you like, you can enjoy with that. So guys, hopefully this video will helpful to you, and about the more recipe guys, please don't forget to share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And how it is, don't forget to leave comment below.